Major LSA update, tracking numbers for message lead. Hey everyone, Ryan Salson here with Accelerate Marketing. I wanted to share a really important update from Google Local Service Ads that could have a major impact on how your leads are tracked, measured, and ultimately how Google ranks your business in local search. For the past few weeks, we've been seeing signs of a quiet but meaningful rollout. Google has started adding tracking numbers to message leads inside local service ads. Here's what that means. Whenever a customer messages your business through your local service ad, Google now assigns a unique tracking phone number to that lead. You'll notice this number appears directly in your LSA dashboard. Now, this might seem like a huge change at first, but it's actually a major improvement for how Google measures your responsiveness and overall ad performance. In the past, when a customer sent you a message and your current team called them back, those calls weren't properly tracked inside local service ads. That meant Google couldn't always see that you were being responsive, which, as you know, if you followed us for a while, is one of the 3 R's of local service ad success: reviews, radius, response rate. Now with this new tracking system, when you call back using the tracking number shown in the LSA message, Google automatically logs that call under the same lead as an outgoing call. So now Google can see the full conversation chain from the customer's initial message to your response to your follow-up call, a connected under one lead record. That gives Google a much clearer picture of your engagement, accuracy in your reporting, and ultimately your responsiveness score, which directly affects how often your ad appears at the top of search results. So here's what you need to know moving forward. When you or your intake team call back a message lead, make sure you're using the number that appears within the LSA message itself, not the number the customer typed in. That tracking number is what tells Google, hey, this business followed up. If you call the customer's personal number instead, Google can't track it, and it might look like you didn't respond, even if you did. This is a small adjustment, but it can have a huge impact on how Google perceives your responsiveness and overall ad performance. This update also gives you more reliable data for analyzing your leads. You'll be able to see which message leads were responded to, how quickly you followed up, and how many of those leads converted into calls, all right within your LSA dashboard. That kind of transparency helps you make smarter decisions about your ad spend, your follow-up process, and your overall marketing strategy. It's another sign that Google's continuing to evolve local service ads towards a more complete, closed-loop lead tracking system. We'll continue monitoring how this update rolls out across different markets and share any new developments as they happen. If you want to stay ahead of these changes or learn more about how to maximize your visibility, responsiveness, and ROI with local service ads, check out our blog at accelerateyourmarketing.com. We post detailed guides, updates, and insights to help you make sense of every local service ads and Google Business Profile change as it happens. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos and walkthroughs on local service ads, Google Business Profiles, and local marketing strategies that help you dominate your service area. Thanks for watching, and as always, we're here to help you get the most out of your Google Local Service ads. Thank you.